Why does your scanner show the P062A engine code? What does it mean? P062A is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel pump. A controls circuit range or performance. It indicates that there's a problem detected in the fuel pump. A control circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty fuel pump, damaged wiring, faulty ground connections, engine control module issues, high resistance circuit. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Dodge, Nissan, Mitsubishi, Jeep, Chevrolet, Toyota, and Mercedes. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.